And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a HD smartphone lens, and as you can see here, HP 100mm. It's made by Apexel, and we'll have a bit of a look at the box. There's a bit of info on the back there, telling it's compatible with most smartphones and tablets. So let's open it up and see what's inside. It's instructions, it looks like. Nothing else in the box. Let's open up and see what these are. And it looks like it's all in Chinese on one side, and the other side is in English. I'll bring it up so you can have a bit of a look. And as always, you just simply pause if there's anything of interest. And that's that. And what else we got? We've got a little case. Feels like it might be waterproof. And what's this? Oh, a little lens cleaning rag. And we've got the lens itself. Let's get that out of the way. So the lens has got a protective little bit on the other end. And it looks like it's adjustable in here. So I've got my mobile phone nice and handy, of course. And we'll just pop it on. We'll choose the middle one here. See, do we? Okay, so just pop that there and slide that into position. And tighten up that to stop it slipping. Actually, I need to push it over a fraction more. That looks pretty good. Now, I guess we take that bit off. That's got a screw in wide, and that's probably the angle I'm on. There we go. Yeah, it's just the angle I'm on. Take that off, and there we go. And let's have a look here. What have we got? Okay. Well, we might as well start with, I suppose that's what we got, so we'll do that first. That's where am I? I've got to get my phone nice and level. And take a photo there. Now we'll take that off. And again, take it. See what we've got. Oh yeah, there's no mistaking. You can definitely see magnification, so that's impressive. The photos I'm about to take with the Apexel macro 100mm lens, it will be attached to my Samsung Galaxy S22. I won't be using digital zoom in my camera. I'll be just using optical only. So my camera has a 3x optical zoom. So that's what I'll be using. And when you view the images, I will be adding a 5x digital zoom per image. So it'll give you an idea of what you can zoom in on after you've taken a photo. Hopefully it should be okay. We'll find out soon enough together. Who would have thought a little clip-on macro lens that you pop on a smartphone can produce such good quality photos? I am really surprised. Now, hopefully you've learned something. You know, thumbs up, thumbs down, either way doesn't matter. Leave a comment. Maybe you've got a completely different brand and you're happy with it. Feel free to pop it in the comments and let everyone else know. And hopefully, with a bit of luck, I might get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Bye for now.